Hello, it's Will D here from the QuickCashWSO.com, and in this short video I just simply want to show you how to create your audio. There are two methods that I'm going to show you, and the first one will require your URL to a video that you've uploaded to YouTube, and then we're going to throw that into some software that will just throw out an MP3 for us. The second method, we're going to use another piece of free software that will also generate an MP3 for us. So here we go. Let's go to a YouTube that I've recently uploaded. So we go over there. There it is. And so I'm just going to pause it as it's playing. We'll pause it. And what I'll do now is take the URL for this YouTube video. So I'll copy it, and then I'm going to go to another site. The site is called video2mp3.net. So there's a site there, video2mp3.net. And what I do now with my copied URL is to place it in here, and once that's done, I simply hit this orange button that says convert. I click on that button, and in a few seconds it should start to do something. So what it's doing, it's checking mic and all that kind of stuff. Once it's happy, then it will give me my MP3. So it says your MP3 is ready, download your MP3 file. So what I need to do now is click this orange tab, and it should start to download my MP3. Now it is downloading my MP3 to the left of the screen outside the range that you can see. So rather than you waiting for that to happen, I will just pause the video, and once it's complete I will come back and let you know. So I'm hitting the pause button. Okay, I'm back. The download is complete. It's off your screen at the moment, but I'll just double click on it and you can see the MP3 come in. So that basically is it. It didn't take that long, and we've got our MP3. So I'll just stop. I'll close it up, and that's it. It was as simple as that. Taking the URL for our already recorded MP3 video, already recorded YouTube video, and putting the URL into that bit of software which is free, and we get an MP3. So that's that. You would simply take your link and just spread it to your friends and whoever you want to share your audio with. So that was the first method. Now for the second method. The second method, we are going to use software called Audacity. So I've already got Audacity on my system, but if you haven't got it on yours, this is where you want to go to. You want to go to that URL. And there's Audacity. It's not right in your picture, so let's try and get you in. So there's Audacity. That's what it looks like. You simply download that software. Download Audacity 2.205, and once you download it, you're ready for the next bit. Now I've already got it on my system, so I'm just gonna pull it up. And so there's Audacity for me. Let's pull that into the frame, and essentially it's very easy to use. These are the buttons you want to pay attention to. That's a pause button, that's your play, that's stop, that's your skip to the start, skip to the end. This is your record button. I don't worry at all about any of these. I simply hit the record button to start recording. Now, considering we're trying to create an audio here, what you will have to do is to go and get your outline, and your outline will then act as your guide, so that you know what you're going to start with, what's next, and what comes at the end. I hope that makes sense. So what we're going to do here is, let's say my outline says introduction first of all, then I'm just going to do an introduction, do a bit of recording here, and then we'll see how it goes. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to hit the red button and start recording. Now obviously you're going to need to be speaking into your microphone. If you've got an inbuilt microphone, then you're speaking to your laptop basically, if you like. And if you've got an external microphone, then of course you plug it in and we're ready to go. Right, so here we go with the recording. I'm just going to click on that red button and do the introduction. Hi, it's Will D here from the quickcashwso.com, and in this short audio I just want to introduce myself. And there we go. That's a piece of recording. The next thing I do is simply click the yellow rectangular button, click that. That stops everything, and then I can simply hit play to replay it. But I think what I'll do instead is simply to show you how to save and export this file that you've just created. So we go File, come down to Export, and just name your file. Let's say Audacity Intro. That's Audacity Intro, and I'm saving it to my desktop, so I'll simply click Save. You can put some stuff in there. I'm just going to put, let's say, Will D, that'll do, and I'll just hit OK, and you can see it's doing its thing. And in all honesty, that really is it. What I need to do now is to go to my desktop. So let's close this down and go to my desktop. I've got a lot of windows open there, so let's close them all. Right, here we are on my desktop, and there is Audacity Intro. Let's put it down so you can see it. And all I do now is simply click on it. It opens up. And that's it. So I'm just going to switch it off there to stop it. Right, there we go. So that's it. That's how to create your MP3 to methods. First one, you simply get URL for your video, which is published to YouTube. And the second method, you just download the Audacity software. It's free. Once you've downloaded it, you then get your outline and just basically speak into your microphone. Once you've done that, you then want to save your file, and you'll have your MP3, and that really is it. So I hope that's been useful to you, and you can now use either of these two methods to create audio for your project. Thanks for watching.